Alan, what are some of the key dates that expats need to know for filing their taxes on time?
Well, expats get an additional 2 months to file their taxes. So for most people, that's April 15th, but expats can file on June 15th. Okay, if you do owe any taxes, you do need to pay those by April 15th. When it comes to filing expat returns, you're allowed to extend it through mid-October like everyone else. And in addition, you do have that option to ask for another 2 months to where you can file by mid-December. Another thing being an expat is that the IRS has this fantastic amnesty program called Streamlined Filing. This is for people who haven't filed in years, or they just haven't filed correctly in a number of years. Under this special amnesty program, it allows you to file late returns or allows you to amend returns to fix for past mistakes, and it waives all penalties. What you want to do is just really start the tax process as soon as you can, get a good idea of what your tax situation is going to be. It might be that you have to wait until mid-year as an expat until you complete your local return. But you just basically want to start the process as soon as possible. If you think you owe some taxes, you want to make some estimated payments by April 15th. What you can do is make quarterly estimated payments during the current year, which will help reduce the potential penalties in the next year. And if you talk to your tax preparer, they can look at how much tax you owed last year, and they can tell you how much you might need to pay this year by that April 15th just to avoid penalties. Now, they can tell you the amount to avoid penalties, you still may owe more on top of that, or you might actually wind up getting a refund. But the best way to help avoid interest and penalties is just to be proactive, start the process as soon as you can, and make sure you've got a good accountant who understands your tax situation, like Greenback. We work almost exclusively with expats. We really take out the stress and the frustration of the entire process.